So today we are going to discuss the question answers of the chapter that we have done already, 3 questions. Okay. So let us start with the first question, which is in the first comprehension check. The first question is, why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? Can you tell me why did king wanted to know answer to the 3 questions? The king wanted to know the answers to the 3 very important questions concerning life because he felt that it would be possible for him never to fail, to be always successful as a ruler if he knew the answers to the 3 questions. So he wanted to know the answers to the 3 questions because he wanted to be a successful ruler. Okay, come to the next question. Okay, the next question is, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. What shall be the answer? To find answers to the questions. Okay, to find answers to the question. These questions are very easy, very simple, so I expect that you would be able to write them of your own after hearing me discussing them. Okay, the answer will be to find answers to the question. Because you can see that messengers throughout his kingdom promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So the question, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. 2 answers will be proper. Option 2 and option 4. Both are proper. Okay. From the book, page number 10. Okay, got it? Page number 10. From the book, page number 10. Got it, students? Okay, so 2 options will be proper. Option number 2 and option number 4. Okay, now come to the next question. Complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box. This is very simple and very easy. So the answer will be number 1. Many wise men answered the king's question, but their answers were so varied. Their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Okay. So this is page number 14. Complete the sentences, that question. Okay, the sentences are given in the box and you have to provide the right answer. You have to provide the right answer to the sentences. Okay, the sentences are given in the box. Okay, so look at the first question, first statement. Number 1 will be, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Number 2, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. Okay, to help the king act at the right time. Got it? Number 3, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Someone else, yes, you will write this in the copy. For now, you can mark the answers in the book as the class is proceeding. But I expect that you will write everything in your classwork copy, the copy which is given from the book, from the school. Okay, the school copy. Got it? Okay. Number 2. Someone suggested that number 3, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Number 4, the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. Got it? Number 5, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. Okay, now come to the working with the text questions. I am going to discuss these questions with you, and if it is required, I will also make you write it. Okay, I will also give you the answers in written form. I will decide it according to the difficulty level of the questions. It seems to be they are very easy, but if you have some problems, I will give it to you in writing. Okay, so the first question is, why was the king advised to go to magicians? Why was the king advised to go to magicians? Okay, the king was advised to go to the magicians because some people believe that only the magicians can predict the future, and if he went to the magicians, he would understand what will happen in the future and they would be able to advise him on his course of action. So, people advised the king to go to the magicians because the magicians had the ability to predict the future. Okay, they could predict the future, and if the king could get somebody who could predict the future to give him advice about what is to be done in the proper time, then he would be helpful. It would be helpful for him. Number 2, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? The second question was, whom should he listen to? I think that is the question. Let's see. What was the second question which the king thought of? The second question that he thought of was, which people should he listen to? So, in answer to this question, the king was given the suggestion that some people like the priests or the counselors or the doctor or the soldiers, they were the people whom the king should listen to. So, in answer to the second question, people suggested that he should listen to the advice given by the doctors or the counselors or the soldiers, okay, because, or the priest, because they knew the answers to the question. Okay, Aroni, are you still on the call? Aroni, are you still in the call? Okay, then nobody can remove you from the call in that manner, okay, because it's the admin's call. But still, if somebody does that, that person will be penalized and will be removed from the call themselves, okay. So, the next question is, what suggestions were made in answer to the third question? So, what was the third question? First of all, tell me, what was the third question? The third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? What is the most important thing for him to do? That is the third question. What is the most important thing for him to do? That is the third question. So, in answer to the third question, some people suggested that science was the most important thing to do, while others believed that it was fighting, while some others said that religion and worship of God, religious worship is the most important thing to do. So, you will write that people had different opinions and varied answers to the third question. While some people believed that the most important thing to do was science, others believed it was religion, while some others said it was fighting. Okay. Number 4, did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? Okay, so the wise men did not win the reward because they were not able to satisfy the king. They all came up with varied answers to the questions which were asked by the king, and so they were not able to satisfy the king, and that is the reason why the wise men did not receive any award. Got it? Okay. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? So how did remember when the hermit came, you are telling so fast how we can write. You don't have to write it, just listen to me. Okay, and this video will be uploaded in YouTube. The answers, I will ask you to write it, and then after a while I will give you the answers myself in the e-portal. write it. I will provide the answers in the e-portal. Satisfied now? Okay, now listen to me carefully, and if you have got any ideas to discuss with me for the answers, you can tell me. Okay, and if you miss it, if you think I'm going too fast, I'll go a little bit slow. But then you can also check out this video again and again in the YouTube channel. Okay? Meghna? The next question is number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Yes, they dressed the injured man. They helped him to get rid of his bloody clothes, and then they helped him to get the wound in the proper manner. That means they helped him to, the king actually, first of all, the king with the help of the hermit helped to remove the bloody clothes from the wounded man's body, and then he dressed the wounds for a long time. He dressed and redressed the wounds till it stopped bleeding. So he looked after the wounded man. Number 6. Who was the bearded man? Can you tell me who the bearded man was? Who was the bearded man? Can you tell me? Yes, the bearded man was actually the enemy of the king, whose brother was killed by the king, and his lands were seized by the king's men. Okay, so he was the enemy of the king. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? The bearded man asked for the king's forgiveness because he confessed to the king that he had come to the forest to kill the king. And so, because of his evil intentions, the bearded man said to the king, or asked the king to forgive him. Okay. Number 7. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? So, in order, the king not only forgave his enemy, but also he showed his kindness by promising him that his properties would be restored to him. So the king showed his forgiveness to the bearded man, to his enemy, previous enemy, by telling him, rather promising him, that all your property will be returned back to you. Okay. Next question is, what were the hermit's answers to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? So this question, I will give you the answer for this. I think you can understand that the last 2 paragraphs in the story deals with the answer of the hermit. Okay, so you will write it in your own words. You try to write it. If you can't, I will help you with this answer. Okay, because it's a little bit lengthier than the rest. So the hermit said, like the answer to the first question, the hermit said that the most important time is the present moment, because it is the only time over which we have some power to act. Okay. To the second question, the most important person at a moment is the person we are with at that moment, because we do not know whom we will meet in the future. But at that moment, whoever person we are tending to is the most important person. And the last question is, the most important business is to be kind and good to others, because we have been sent to this world to serve a noble cause. Okay, so I will explain